Hey guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the top 5 best countertop paint products that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and I've ranked them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Glint Granite Countertop Paint Kit in black gold. This is a solid contender for anyone looking to refresh their countertops with a granite-like finish. The kit provides long-lasting, high-gloss acrylic paint that is heat and stain resistant, making it ideal for kitchens and bathrooms. It supports various surfaces like ceramic tile, laminate, and butcher block. One standout feature is its emphasis on preparation. Glint recommends sanding and cleaning the surface thoroughly before painting, ensuring an even and secure application. In terms of design, the kit comes with the essentials: countertop paint, a roller, and a sponge. However, it's worth noting that the paint tray is not included, which might be a minor inconvenience for some users. The product covers up to 38 square feet, making it suitable for medium-sized countertop projects. While its low VOC formula ensures a safer indoor experience, the curing time requires patience, with up to 5 to 7 days for full hardness. The pros include its affordability for the quality offered and its ability to achieve a professional granite look. On the downside, it has a lower customer rating compared to others on the list, 3.6 stars, and the layering of paint during transport may require extra mixing. Overall, this kit is a good option for DIY enthusiasts who are willing to put in the prep work for a polished finish. Coming in at number 4 is the Rustoleum Home Marble Countertop Coating Kit. If you're looking to recreate a sleek faux marble finish, this kit is a fantastic choice. With an easy 3-step application process using an ultra-white base coat, gray veining paint, and satin top coat, transforming outdated countertops becomes straightforward and beginner-friendly. It eliminates the need for stripping, sanding, or priming, saving you time and effort. The design of this kit is geared toward practicality, with enough materials to cover between 75 to 100 square feet, ideal for larger projects. Performance-wise, the satin top coat provides excellent wear and stain resistance, ensuring durability through everyday use. Another notable benefit is its quick curing time. Countertops are ready for full use after just 24 hours. However, while the kit is user-friendly, achieving convincing marble veining may require a bit of practice to apply the paint artistically. Pros include its comprehensive kit contents, impressive coverage area, and quick drying time. On the downside, some users have noted that the veining paint can be tricky to work with, and its price is slightly higher than similar options. With a customer rating of 4.0 stars, this product is a reliable pick for homeowners aiming for a sophisticated marble look without breaking the bank. At number 3, we have the Beyond Paint Countertop Paint in Charcoal, a budget-friendly option perfect for smaller projects or those working with tighter budgets. With a price of just $27.46, this pint-sized product is designed for simplicity and efficiency. It requires no stripping, sanding, or priming, making it a fast and straightforward choice for beginners. Its crack-resistant and chip-resistant formula ensures durability, while the matte finish offers a modern and understated look. The design of this product is minimalist, consisting of a single pint of paint that covers up to 25 square feet. While it's not as comprehensive as some of the kits on this list, it excels in ease of use. The paint is water-resistant and fast-drying, allowing for quick updates to countertops in kitchens, bathrooms, or workspaces. However, its smaller coverage area makes it ideal for compact projects rather than larger-scale renovations. Pros include its affordability, simple application process, and durable finish. On the downside, its matte finish may not appeal to those seeking a high-gloss look, and the coverage area is limited compared to other products. With a 4.1-star rating from over 1,000 reviews, this is a great choice for budget-conscious DIYers looking for a quick and effective countertop refresh. Our runner-up at number 2 is the Beyond Paint Smoked Gray Flex Countertop Makeover Kit. This premium option offers an all-in-one solution for a complete countertop transformation, including paint, sealer, flex, and tools like rollers and brushes. Its self-leveling, water-based acrylic formula eliminates roller marks while providing a slightly textured finish that mimics the look of granite. The included multi-purpose sealer adds long-lasting protection and is engineered for easy touch-ups if needed. The kit's design is robust, covering up to 50 square feet and making it suitable for both small and medium-sized projects. It's perfect for those looking to upgrade countertops in a single weekend without the need for stripping, sanding, or priming. The low VOC formula and quick-drying properties make it safe for indoor use, while its crack-resistant and chip-resistant finish ensures durability. However, at $92.65, it's the most expensive option on our list, which may deter some budget-conscious buyers. Pros include its comprehensive kit, granite-like finish, and long-lasting protection. On the downside, its higher price point and slightly lower customer rating, 3.9 stars, may give pause to some. Overall, this kit is ideal for homeowners seeking a premium, professional-quality countertop makeover with minimal hassle. And finally, at number 1, we have the Giani Granite Countertop Paint Kit 2.0 in Bombay Black. This is the ultimate choice for those seeking a high-quality, versatile countertop paint kit. The kit promises to transform surfaces like Formica, laminate, ceramic tile, and even traditional granite in just 3 simple steps, all within a single weekend. Its 100% acrylic formula is low odor, low VOC, and water-based, making it safe for indoor use. The high-gloss topcoat is food-safe and incredibly durable, lasting for years without fading or chipping. The design of the kit is impressive, featuring everything you need: foam brushes, roller pads, a roller arm, a paint sponge, and even a practice board for testing techniques. The coverage area of 35 square feet makes it suitable for most countertop projects. And the customizable sponge-on and roll-on application allows users to create unique looks tailored to their space. Manufactured entirely in the USA, Giani ensures top-tier quality and craftsmanship. Pros include its comprehensive kit, ease of application, and durable food-safe finish. On the downside, the price of $76.46 may be a bit steep for some, but the value is undeniable given its performance and results. With a stellar 4.4-star rating from over 3,700 reviews, this product is the gold standard for countertop paint kits, combining simplicity, durability, and professional-grade results. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.